Bitcoin is showing us here the first signs of a bigger move looming here in the shadows. That is something that we have to talk about today. And I also want to mention really quick the Twitter space that I was yesterday a part of with BYBIT and SVF. We definitely have also to talk about that. A lot of crazy things came there to light. And I think that is something that you also should know about. So, and now let's directly get into here. And don't forget, if you're new to the channel, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to become part of our family here. And now let's get directly into it. So here on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that Bitcoin had here an initial drop here just 3 hours ago. Because of the job numbers announcement in the US. Because of that, we dropped here to the downside, and now we are slowly coming back up here. So, and now the question is obviously, was this the retest that we were waiting for here for this support zone that we have just under us, or will we head here lower? So first of all, I want to say everything what I said yesterday is in my opinion still valid. So, but we could see here a small relief move to the upside. And if I would be trading this, I would long this from $16,975 there. I would long this from to the upside, because we have there right now some resistance. So resistance comes in from here, from that massive wick to the downside, and then also the next candle. Then here we broke slightly above it, then we broke under it again, then we had here fake out, we had here another fake out. So, and then with this candle right now we were retesting it, but also could not break through. So you see there is some severe resistance right now on the lower time frames for the Bitcoin price. So, but we could see a move through this area pretty soon when the stochastic RSI has hit the bottom here and comes into oversold conditions, has to bounce up again. Then we could see a reversal to the upside above this level, and then I would, like I said, long this from $16,975. So, and of course I would do this on BYBIT, because on BYBIT there are still $30,000 in bonuses available only with my specific link, guys. Or on Bitget, $20,000 if you're in the US. There you can also use my specific link. No KYC, no VPN, just sign up and you can use it even in the US. The links, both of the links, they're in the description below or in the pinned comment under this video. So now let's get back here to Bitcoin. So I also wanted to look quick again on the EMA ribbons. Here you see that the price action is fighting right now at the same level to come on top of the EMA ribbon, so which for now we don't, because we have here this resistance level also pressing onto the price and pushing it lower. That's why the price is not able to break here above the EMA ribbon right now. So, but like I said, in the next couple of hours that can potentially change here. So another reason why I believe that is when we go to the 4 hourly chart. Here we have seen something really, really healthy on the EMA ribbon. So we came all the way down into the middle of the ribbon, and from there we bounced straight back up and stayed above the ribbon. So, and if you follow this channel for quite a while already, you know when we come down into the middle out of an upwards move, and we bounce directly back up, that is a really, really bullish sign, at least for the short term for the Bitcoin price. But of course, if we come from here out of an upwards move, out of a downtrend, and we get rejected from there, then we know we had actually still into lower prices. So I'm not saying we cannot head lower here, but for now this looks bullish to me. But also here again we have to break $16,970. That is the zone of confluence right now for the bears, where they are holding the Bitcoin price under that specific level, because otherwise we will break here to the upside to 17,000 and even higher. Also on the stochastic RSI here, the same thing. Here we are forming a really nice rounding shape to go around here. You can see we are leaning in here in a round shape, and normally when we get here one of these round shapes, we also get a bounce back to the upside. So now the question is, how high can we bounce here? Because I still believe that this is not the final downwards move. That we have not seen the final downwards move yet. So to what are the levels that we have to look out for? So one of them is for sure here the $18,200 level, that could be, in my opinion, the level to that we have to be watching out for. So, and I also just see something that we have to take in consideration that might be in alignment with the target. So we have here a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern. So, and if we take now here the measurement, oh, there you go, just above $18,200. This goes to $18,400, yeah, almost $400. So that would be the technical target. And now you see again why the $16,975 level is so important. That is the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. That is the level that we need to break, that we can go higher here based on this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So, and if we would do that, then the target would be all the way up here at $18,200. So when we look then here on the daily, still the trend is still pointing to the downside. Nothing has changed here. Also here we are about to get a sell signal on the stochastic RSI. So at least on the on the higher time frames, things have not changed. They are still looking bearish. But on the shorter time frames, we could see a short-lived pump all the way up to $18,200, with then another rejection back to the downside, with a potential retest of $17,000. And if we are lucky, we started then consolidating in that range here. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.